Hi guys, it's Michael here from CT Floors, the division of CT Industries. So you can see it's Movember in full swing. We're doing the charity run, we're doing all those kind of things, so excuse if I look stupid, but that's all part of the cause. I'm here with Mr. Dar from PAK Persian. He is the owner of PAK Persian Carpets, and we did a project for them a while back where we came in the one Sunday evening to lay the floors, and you would have seen that video already. So I just thought I'll introduce you to Mr. Dar, and we're going to show you some of the beautiful products that they have, and also just a little bit of the floor that we've installed, what the showroom looks like now. And then Mr. Dar is going to tell you how happy he is with our work.
Well, it's a great product, and I was not familiar with it in the beginning, and somebody else, a friend, recommended me to have this kind of product. I put it on the floor, and I'm really amazed, and it's wonderful, and it's beautiful, and all my rugs are looking so great on it. So thank you very much. I hope you're gonna have some more work on this one, and it would be a great product, so we're gonna see you later on.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Dar. I really appreciate it. This is what a testimonial should be like. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. Subscribe, like us. If you want your own floor, let us know. info@ctindustries.co.za. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. Bye.